guys, welcome to Ninja Collection. This is actually the first time, so what we're gonna be doing today is unbox this and this. But first, let's start with this. This is actually, I think, a pocket watch with Koro-sensei's face in the back. So this is the side. The back, which is actually full of Japanese letter, which I cannot fully understand, but I will someday. And this is the other side. I think it has the instructions on how to start it, I guess. So it's not actually unboxing. This is not meant. Either way, I'll do this. So let's set this aside here. So this is the pocket watch. Wait, I need to adjust the lighting for you guys to see. The pocket watch. And let's focus on the pocket watch. I don't want to open the chain. Okay. Set this aside. So this is the pocket watch. I've been taking care of it. Oh, it's a little bit dark. I can't adjust the lighting. I'm not great at lighting stuff. Do I have to do it like this? And no, I can't.
Yeah.
Oh, put it there. Oh no.
Yeah.
There. Oh no. There. See, so you guys can see. That is indeed Koro-sensei there. Koro-sensei's body. That is him. And okay, let's adjust the lighting again. And then let's look at the back. This is Koro-sensei's face. See that? That is indeed him. So for me, I think this is actually great as a collection, because I usually don't have much of that Assassination Classroom collection. And let's put this back and start with Rin. Okay. I take care of my my collection. I take very good care of them. So wait, am I even doing this right now? Let's go to Rin. Okay, I think this is mint, but I don't have scissors with me, and I usually don't have sharp stuffs in our room. Okay, thank you. So a cutter I did not actually found. Let's open this. Oh my god, I think I'll beat it. I take very careful of my collection and my papa's collection, so I don't want it broken. And I am shaking just from opening this. Am I even doing this right? I don't even want to break the box. Why? I'm very scared, because this is actually the first time that I'm gonna open something that is not mine. But I did have permission. Okay. Now let's see. Rin Okumura from No Exorcist. It's a very good anime. We recommend it for you to watch if you are a fan. I'm not trying to reload. Okay, I'm gonna show you the part. No, I think I won't pick it up from the plastic. Oopsies. So set this aside. And oh my goodness. Very careful, very careful. go! Look at that. I don't remember much from the anime because I think it's been a long time since I watched it. From the sword that is opening, which has the flame, when he opens his sword, flames, blue flames, and there his horn of flames. Oh, and his little smile, look. His little smile, how cute. Oh, the blade is, and the stand, the tail, it's actually a very cute look. I think I saw this from one of the scenes, or is it from every scene? I don't remember. But look how beautiful it is. And that's for today. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you and see you next time.